Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Heavenly Cuisine, where recipes have no bounds. In today's episode, we're making Wattalappam, a rich Sri Lankan dessert that you'll find at almost every celebration. You can adjust the quantities depending on how much you're making, but today we're going with 10 eggs. Here's what you'll need: 10 eggs, 300 grams of jaggery, 50 ml water, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of nutmeg, 4 tablespoons sugar, 400 grams of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 1 cup of warm milk. Now we are using coconut milk powder here because fresh coconuts aren't always easy to find, but if you have fresh ones, go ahead and use the milk from one whole coconut. Start by taking half a cup of milk and mixing it with the coconut milk powder until it's smooth. Set that aside for later. Now in a pan, add the sugar and let it melt slowly until it turns into a nice golden color. Once that's ready, pour it into the pan you'll be using for steaming and swirl it around to coat the bottom evenly. This gives the wattalappam a nice golden layer on top once we flip it later. In the same pan, add the jaggery along with the remaining half a cup of milk. Let it melt until it becomes a smooth golden brown mixture. Then add in the coconut milk mixture we made earlier and stir everything until smooth and creamy. Once that is ready, take it off the heat and let it cool down for a bit. In the meantime, prepare the egg mixture. Crack all 10 eggs into a large bowl. It's a good idea to check each one first before adding it in, just to make sure none of them are spoiled. Beat the eggs well until combined, then strain the mixture to remove any impurities. Now add the cardamom powder and nutmeg and mix well. Pour in the jaggery mixture and beat it again. Then add the condensed milk and mix once more. Finally, add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, then give it one last good whisk. Make sure everything is smooth, that's what gives the wattalappam its silky texture. Pour the mixture into the pan that has a caramel base, and if you want it extra smooth, strain it again before pouring. Cover the pan with an aluminum foil and steam it for about 40 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick is inserted into the center and it comes out clean. Once it's done, let it cool down for a bit before flipping it onto a plate. You'll see that gorgeous caramel layer on top. For the best results, refrigerate it for at least a couple of hours before serving. Sets perfectly and it tastes even better when it's chilled. And there you have it, your soft, silky, melt in your mouth Sri Lankan Wattalappam. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.